What if I told you that the single biggest factor in your tomato harvest isn't the fertilizer you buy in a bottle? What if I told you it's not the amount of sun? And it's definitely not that magic pruning technique you saw on Instagram last week. The truth is, for decades, we've been gardening completely blind. We've been treating the soil like it's just dirt, a sponge to hold water. But new research, stuff that is literally shaping the agricultural breakthroughs of 2026, proves we've been ignoring the real MVP of the garden. There's a secret agent living right under your feet, a microscopic powerhouse that acts as a bodyguard, a nutrient miner, and a growth hormone factory, all at once. And here's the crazy part. Most of you are accidentally killing it before it can help you. Welcome back to Senior Garden Advisor. I'm your host, and today we are done with mediocre harvests. We're debunking the biggest myth in soil science and introducing you to the biological superstar that will make your tomatoes absolutely explode this season. Put down the NPK, grab your notebook, and let's dig in. Let's get real for a second. When your tomatoes look lackluster, maybe the leaves are yellowing or the fruit is small and mealy, what's your first instinct? You run to the garden center. You grab the bag with the biggest numbers on it, more nitrogen, more phosphorus. We have been conditioned to think that gardening is just chemistry. We think if we dump chemicals A, B, and C into the ground, the plant will drink them up like a smoothie. But here is the problem. The chemistry-first approach is failing us. You can dump a mountain of fertilizer on your soil, but if your plant's roots can't access it, it's worthless. In fact, it leads to nutrient lockout. It burns the roots. It destroys the soil structure. The 2026 discovery mindset isn't about adding more chemicals. It's about biology. It's about the invisible world beneath the surface. See, in nature, plants don't eat alone. They never have. For millions of years, they've had partners. We used to think all fungi and bacteria in the soil were bad. We spent the last 50 years sterilizing our soil, tilling it to death, and spraying fungicides. We thought we were cleaning the garden. We were wrong.
We weren't cleaning it. We were disarming it. We were killing the very allies that plants need to survive. Today, we stop blaming the nutrients and the water. The reason your tomatoes are underperforming is because their ecosystem is broken. They are lonely, and a lonely plant is a weak plant. So who is this ancient ally? Who is the secret weapon that is going to change your garden forever? Meek Trichoderma. Now, don't let the name scare you. It sounds like a dinosaur or a disease, but Trichoderma is actually a beneficial fungus. And when I say beneficial, I don't mean it's just nice to have. I mean it is essential. Trichoderma is naturally found in healthy soils worldwide. It's a rapid colonizer. Think of it as the friendly mold that fights the bad mold. But for a long time, home gardeners ignored it. We thought it was just there. But recent studies leading up to the breakthroughs we are seeing now in the mid-20s have revealed that Trichoderma isn't just a bystander. It creates a symbiotic relationship with your tomato roots. Here's how it works. When you introduce Trichoderma to your soil, it rushes to the plant roots. It actually penetrates the outer cells of the root system. Now, if this were a bad fungus, the plant would die. But Trichoderma shakes hands with the plant. The plant says, "Here, take some sugar." And in exchange, Trichoderma says, I got your back. I will expand your reach, I will pre-digest your food, and I will kill anyone who tries to hurt you. This isn't some lab-engineered, genetically modified super solution. This is nature's technology. It's been right under our noses for thousands of years, but only now do we have the commercial availability to put high-concentration spores right onto our tomato roots. Okay, enough science talk. Senior Garden Advisor is about results. What does this actually look like in your backyard? Let's look at superpower number 1, nutrient solubilization. Remember that fertilizer sitting in your soil that the plant couldn't eat? Trichoderma releases enzymes and acids that dissolve those locked-up nutrients, specifically phosphorus and iron, and feed them directly into the root. It's like chewing the food for the plant. This is the difference between a plant surviving and a plant thriving. The Trichoderma-treated roots are massive. More roots mean more water uptake, which means your tomatoes won't crack or wilt when that July heat wave hits. But here is my favorite part. Superpower number 2, biocontrol. Trichoderma is aggressive. It's a predator. In the microscopic world, it's the alpha. When it sees a pathogen like fusarium wilt, root rot, or those blights that turn your tomato leaves yellow and brown, it attacks. It coils around the bad fungus, releases enzymes, and literally digests the enemy. It eats the disease for lunch, so your tomato plant doesn't have to fight it. And the result? Systemic induced resistance. The presence of Trichoderma tricks the tomato plant into keeping its immune system on high alert. It's like a vaccine for your garden. We are talking about plants that grow 30% faster, yield 50% more fruit, and laugh in the face of root rot. That is the power of the 2026 microbe revolution. Now, the title of this video says tomatoes because I know how much you guys love your tomatoes, but do not, I repeat, do not limit this to your tomato patch. Trichoderma is a generalist. It loves almost everything in your garden. Your bell peppers, they'll get thicker walls and crunchier texture. Your cucumbers, they'll resist that powdery mildew longer. Your strawberries, oh man, the root systems will be unstoppable. So how do you use it? It's incredibly simple. You can buy Trichoderma inoculants online or at good garden centers. It usually comes in a powder or a liquid. Pro tip from your senior garden advisor, the best time to apply this is at planting. When you take that tomato seedling out of its little pot, dust the root ball with the Trichoderma powder, get it right on the roots. If your plants are already in the ground, don't worry. Mix the powder with water, make sure it's unchlorinated water, and do a soil drench right at the base of the plant. Just remember one rule. Since Trichoderma is a fungus, do not use chemical fungicides for at least 2 weeks after applying it. If you spray a fungicide, you kill the hero we just hired. This is the future of gardening. We're moving away from forcing nature to bend to our will with harsh chemicals, and we're moving toward partnering with the incredible biology that already exists. Trichoderma isn't magic, it's biology. And when you empower your soil with life, your plants will reward you with the biggest, tastiest, most explosive harvest you've ever seen. If this video opened your eyes to the invisible world, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button and subscribe to Senior Garden Advisor. We've got a lot more secrets to dig up this year. I'm your Senior Garden Advisor, reminding you to grow smart, grow safe, and keep your soil alive. See you in the next video.